Well, good afternoon, everybody. As we look out over Lake Michigan, which would be a great place to be right now with the heat and humidity that's out there. Looking off to the north and west, you see blue sky and sunshine, but there are some clouds around the area and a few isolated showers and some thunderstorms as well. Those shower and thunderstorm chances will increase. We'll see a little bit better chance tomorrow, and it becomes more likely as we get into Thursday as the cold front's going to approach the area. So 2 more muggy days. And then sharply cooler for Friday and beyond. Frankly, I've had to pull the temperatures back a little bit as we get into the weekend. We now got highs in the 60s. Yeah, that's where we're going. From 90 degrees. And by the way, we are sitting at 90 right now in Grand Rapids. The last time we hit 90 was more than 10 months ago. You'd have to go back to the 20th of July. That's a long time to go without hitting 90. Did you know we didn't even hit 90 degrees in the month of August in 2019? Most of us not seeing anything. Same exact setup as yesterday. These are going to be very isolated. They're not going to be widespread. And I'm not going to track these, and I'll tell you why. A lot of people try to track these storms. They pop up, and if I track them and say they're moving this way because they're moving from south to north, watch this one in Berry County. It kind of pops up, fizzles out after 5, 6, 10 minutes, something like that. So as they move to the north, they kind of pop up, they rain themselves out, and they're gone. But they are moving very slowly to the north at about 25, 30 miles per hour. And if you get under one of these showers that crop up, there's going to be some brief heavy rain, but it's not going to last very long. And it is a very hit and miss across the area. This is being driven by the sun, the energy, the heat from the sun. Once that sun sets, these are going to go away. 90 degrees right now in GR. You would expect that in July or August. This early in the game, not so much, but it certainly is there. 91 in Fremont, everybody else in the mid to upper 80s. We are also 90 up there in Mount Pleasant. We pull out to a wider perspective. This air is going to be shifting off to the east, and as it does, we'll probably see a little bit more cloud cover tomorrow, and our temperatures probably a little bit cooler, but we're still going to have humidity with us. Everything is still happening mainly off to our west. That's a tornado watch box out there. Everything moving from the south to the north, and this is going to shift a little further to the east. So tomorrow, the chance of a shower thunderstorm isn't as small as it is today. It becomes a little more possible tomorrow, and it becomes, frankly, likely by the time we get into Thursday. 68 for the overnight low tonight. A chance of a shower thunderstorm over the next few hours. Otherwise, same deal as yesterday. Clear to partly cloudy overnight. Warm, muggy. Keep the AC running. We'll have a south-southeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. If you look on the weather map, this is what it looks like. 9 p.m. There's a low pressure system. You can see everything's going to mainly fire off to our west. As we get into tomorrow, watch the heat of the day. Once the heat bubbles up again, we see these showers and storms begin to kind of percolate up as well. And then once the sun sets, they kind of go away as we go Wednesday night into Thursday. Then as this frontal system gets a little bit closer, we're going to have more likely showers across the area and maybe a rumble or two of thunder, but there's cold air locked up behind that front. Let's look at total rainfall from 9 a.m. tomorrow until 9 a.m. on Friday over a 48-hour period. We got a good chance at seeing probably about a ½ inch to an inch of rain. There's some higher amounts to the north, but that may just be a model thing. I think generally across the area, we're looking at about a ½ inch to an inch through that time frame, with most of it coming on Thursday and Thursday night. Here's another forecast model. Again, we're looking for consistency here, and we're seeing that to some degree with that ½ inch to an inch of precip. We're still 84 tomorrow. Scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder in there. 79 on Thursday. More showers are likely, especially through the second part of the day. A rumble of thunder in there. That goes in early Friday morning. 73 on Friday. I'm going to push the button. Are you ready for this? Look at this weekend. 67, partly cloudy on Saturday. 65, partly cloudy on Sunday. 72 on Monday, mostly sunny, and then another chance for a shower later in the week. But what a huge change as we go into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you really want to boot this heat and humidity out of here, and you like the cooler, more comfortable air, you're going to love this weekend. You'll be able to get stuff done outside and not sweat doing it. But that's where we're going over the next several days, guys.